Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Welcome to Biji's English class. Today we are going to see tense. What is tense? Today we are going to know what is present tense, past tense, and past participle. Now, what is a tense? Tense of a verb. We always find a verb's tense. What is a verb? Action word. Sitting, jumping, running. All these are actions. What we do. Yes, action words are called verbs. And for those verbs, we find the tense. When is that action happening? That is how we find the tense of the uh, grammar. Tense. Now, verb tense, past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, what is past, what is present, and what is future? Here there's a picture which shows that. It is compared with the day. Today is present. Yesterday is past and tomorrow is future tense. Okay. So today, whatever action you are doing today, you're writing today, you're sitting today, you're sleeping today, you're running today, whatever you're doing today is present tense. Now, past tense, what you did yesterday. Yesterday you wrote. Yesterday you ran. Yesterday you slept. Yesterday you uh, jogged. All those, yesterday what happened is past tense. Today what you did is present tense. And tomorrow what you'll do is future tense. You will be playing. You will play, you will run, you will swim, you will jump. Everything tomorrow is will, and that is future. So now today I'm going to concentrate not about future. I'm going to tell you of present and past tense. Present means today, past tense means yesterday. For example, today what day? Today is Monday. So today Monday is present tense. Yesterday Sunday. Yesterday Sunday is past tense. And tomorrow Tuesday. Tomorrow Tuesday is future tense. Are you clear with the children? Good. Now once again I'll explain what is present, past and future. Present is verb or action words that happening in current. Example, I write. What means I write? You take a paper and you take a pencil and you write in a paper right now. Today you wrote the notes which Miss Biji Miss gave you. You wrote the meaning, you wrote the one giving one words opposite and all. Today you wrote. Yesterday, past tense, verb, action that has already happened a long time back. I wrote. Now, children, I gave you notes. I gave you meaning. I gave you rhyming words before. Yes, you wrote in a note. Very good. That you wrote. You wrote that note. And today you wrote. Today you didn't wrote. What did you use today? Today you write. You write opposites today. That day you wrote rhyming words. So you wrote. Today I write. And if you are going to write tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be giving you question answers. So tomorrow I will write question answers. Are you clear with what I'm telling? Today, yesterday, tomorrow. So today you wrote opposite. Last time it is written already you wrote. I wrote rhyming words. Tomorrow I will write question answers. Are you clear? Good. So to present is now what is happening. Past tense is over. You have done already and future will be going. You will be going to do it or you will be doing it later. Next, as some words I have given, past, present, future. A girl have a bag and she is finding something in it. Okay, she lost something, she's finding it. Then she found what? She have a pen with her, she found that. And future, where's the pen? Let me find it. Yeah, she's going to find it. So, will find. Now the tree will fall. Okay, fall, fell, will fall. Carry, carry, will carry. Okay. Now I'm only concentrating on present and past, which means today and yesterday. Now and which is over. So past form is walk, walked. So some words when we say past tense, what happened, which is already done, which you have done already, you will add ed to it. Or some words, there's a word change itself. Like example, walk, walked. Nadakra, nadanditta. Walk, walked. Change, changed. Spend, spent. Manage, managed. Worry, worried. Now you say like this: drink, drank. I am drinking water. I drank water. Give, gave. Give me a pen. She gave me a pen yesterday. Eat, ate. I am eating. I am eating an apple. I ate an apple yesterday. Teach, taught. Teach. Bijim is teaching you tense today. Yesterday, what did she teach? She taught you lesson. Ellie goes to school. She taught you lesson. Ellie goes to school. Bijim is teaching you today grammar. Yes. Buy, bought. Buy a I buy I buy this pen. I am going to buy this pencil. I bought a pencil. I'm going to buy this pencil, or I want to buy a pen. I want to buy a pen. I bought a pen. Okay, now next. Now, what is past participle? Something new. Yes, right now I told you present, past. Now, all of a sudden comes the past participle. What is it? Past participle is a specific verb. Okay, it's just a verb. Now, when you add a verb, ed, or sometimes you have to memorize things. Walk, walked, work, worked, play, played. Okay, that is regular words. And when you talk about what is past tense and what is past participle, one is past participle is a verb form and past tense is a tense. Okay, as you grow you understand better. Okay, now let's memorize certain things because you are very small to explain. So let me get into the work. A boy is walking. Yes. So present tense. Right now the boy go. Okay, go. If he already did that, went. If he's going to do, gone. So present, go. Past, went. Past participle, gone. I go to school every day. Present, go. I go to school every day. Went. We went to cinema yesterday. Gone. They had already gone. Now, if I take a word say, present tense will says, past will be said, past participle is also the same, said. Now, this is what we are going to learn today. Present, past, past participle. Now, present word is, when past comes was and past participles is been. So, present tense is, past tense is was, and past participle is been. Go, went, gone. Say, said, said. Stand, stood, stood. Put, put, put. There are certain words, present tense, past tense, and past participle won't change. Put, cut, fit, all these are same. So, hit, all these words are past, present, past, and past participle is the same. Put, put, cut, cut, cut. So, these 5 words you are going to learn. Present tense is, past tense was, past participle been, present tense go, past tense went, past participle gone, present tense say, past tense said, past participle said, present tense stand, past tense stood, past participle stood, present tense put, past tense put, past participle put. Are you thorough with it, children? Please practice this chart. You practice it for this lesson. Okay, keep practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. Thank you, children.